I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a division sum together. First, identify the three key components: the dividend, the divisor, and the quotient. The dividend is the number you are dividing, and it goes inside the division bracket. The divisor is the number you are dividing by, and it sits outside the bracket. The quotient, which is your answer, will be written on top. This setup is crucial for solving any division problem accurately. Now, let's begin the long division process. Start by looking at the first digit or two of your dividend. Determine how many times your divisor can go into that number without exceeding it. Write this first quotient digit directly above. Next, multiply that quotient digit by your divisor. Place this product neatly underneath the part of the dividend you just divided. After multiplying, your next step is to subtract that product from the dividend's digits. This gives you a remainder for that segment. Then, bring down the very next digit from the dividend to form a new number. You will then repeat the entire process. Divide this new number by the divisor, multiply the result, and subtract again. Keep going until every digit has been brought down. Sometimes, after your final subtraction, you might have a number left over. This is called the remainder. It's important that this remainder is always smaller than your divisor. To check your work, multiply your quotient by the divisor and then add any remainder. The result should be exactly the same as your original dividend, ensuring your answer is correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.